things have changed, and not just the seasons. We've been waiting for the weather, and it's here. But first, let's enjoy the drive. When little people are in tow, it really doesn't matter if your adventures are great or small, it just matters that they happen. This is Paddled to the Sea. I had this book when I was little. An Indian boy carves a little canoe and sets it adrift through the Great Lakes, through all seasons and adventures. And with the help of those along the way, he must paddle to the sea. I still find myself trying to live its pages. In the first lockdown, we made our own Paddle to the Sea. When we let him go, things felt a little sad, and all you could do was follow him. Now this ain't no Zambezi, no Great Lakes, no forest fires or Arctic winters, no crocs, no hippos, but as you glide along so close to the mirror, I defy you not to reflect on adventures past and on those to come. My aluminium canoe, where they mixed a timeless shape with a timeless material, follows along a very old pathway now. Built with shovels and slide rules, poverty and wealth, 3 decades to build, 2 centuries old. Now that the old canal system is also so wild, it is where both history and nature are found in one place. If you like both, then they are both reasons to be here. It is not now destroyed by nature, just tucked in by it.
What does an elf learn at school? The alphabet. Hard. That joke is funny and lame at the same time.
We're just going to pull into there's a little docking area up ahead here. Just going to go in there. Just here, you see it? This place here. Yeah, paddle on the outside. No paddling now, guys. We need to stop now, don't we? Could have walked or cycled, but there would be less memories of this or previous trips, and less ideas of trips to come. Of big and small adventures, the smaller is not the junior of the two. The junior adventures are only those which fail to happen.